Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to present a food dish. Start with a clean, appropriate plate. A simple white or neutral-colored plate often works best, allowing your food's vibrant colors to truly pop. Think about the size and shape. A plate that's too large can make your portion look small, while one too small might appear overcrowded. Aim for a balance, leaving about 1/3 of the plate empty for visual appeal and a professional touch. Now let's arrange the main components. Imagine your plate as a clock face. Place your protein between 12 and 3 o'clock. Your starch, like rice or potatoes, can go between 9 and 12. Finally, your vegetables can fill the space between 3 and 9 o'clock. This creates a visually appealing and balanced presentation, guiding the eye across the dish for an inviting look. To elevate your dish, consider a simple garnish. A sprig of fresh parsley, a few chives, or a lemon wedge can add a burst of color and freshness. When adding sauces, drizzle them artfully, perhaps in a swirl or a few dots around the main components. Remember, less is often more. You want to enhance, not overpower, the dish's natural beauty and taste. Before serving, take a moment for the final touches. Use a clean cloth or paper towel to wipe away any drips or smudges from the rim of the plate. This small step makes a huge difference, giving your dish a professional and polished appearance. Serve your masterpiece promptly, ensuring it's at its optimal temperature for the best dining experience and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.